Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use thickness command discuss here. Guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 40 and this point is discuss here thickness, and thickness command is very important for CATIA. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. This is our CATIA software interface, and at first draw a 3D model and then use a thickness. Okay, this is a rectangle drawing here, and exit, and this is a pad is a 20. Okay, and this point is a thickness point, and all command is active, and this point is a thickness. Okay, and first is a default thickness is 1 mm. 1 mm is already set here, and this is a default setting. Okay, and default thickness face is not selection, and other thickness is not selection. Okay, at first selection this face, and this thickness is a increase, this is a 10. Okay, and you can see here, okay, this is a increase the thickness. Okay, and okay, and this body is a color change, this is a blue, and blue is a, and okay, this face and this face is a color change, this is a pink. Okay, this is a thickness. Okay, and again use a thickness, this face is thickness increase, and select there, and this is a face, and other is face, this face is 10, and increase the value, this value is a 20. Okay, and this is a, and other face is a, this face is a already 20, select here, and this face is a, okay, this is a increase. Okay, and this face also thickness increase. Okay, this face is a already, and this is a increase, and this face is a, okay, this is a increase the size. Okay, guys, thickness is very easy command, 3D command, and you can see here thickness command is very easy and you easily learn. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 41 is coming soon, and today thickness is complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.